Here is how you can create an AI-powered computer-based test or exams in seconds. The AI generates the question, grades it, and gives you the answer. Let me show you how you could do this in 30 seconds. Log on to aiteacher.com, you click on test and exams, you hit create tests, you put in the school name, you can enable classroom selection if you have created a classroom, then you hit the duration, of course you choose the grade, you hit next, you fit in your lesson notes, resources or other teaching materials, you add the subject, then you add a detailed instruction, you hit next, you click the number of questions you want, you hit generate questions. Here are the generated questions, and below is how it will look like in the student's dashboard. You hit save, and yes, you just created this test. You hit these 3 dots here, you view the test, you copy the code, then you share it with your students. Student's dashboard, he's going to join the test, paste the code you have shared with him, he hits join tests. In seconds, he will be able to attempt the test. Yes, in 5 minutes, he is to write this test. Once you are done with the test, he hits submit, and the submission has been successful. Goes to home page, goes back to that same test, views the test. Yes, this is his score in the test. In real time, the result for that test would appear immediately in the teacher's dashboard. Here you have to view the students that took the test, and of course view it, and yes, this is this student's grade.